Bill, a 40-year-old man, was a clothes vendor. He used to sell different types of clothes in the nearby towns and villages. He used to carry the clothes bags on top of his donkey. He took his 15-year-old son along with him to nearby town. The donkey carried 2 bags and all the clothes were sold. Both father and son were happy. After having a huge business and lump sum profit, Bill was happily returning home with his son and his donkey. They were very tired and found it too hard to reach their place. All the 3 walked slowly on their way back to home. 2 men saw them very tired. They spoke to themselves. "See, they are very tired and exhausted, it seems. They have a donkey. Why not any of them can sit in that donkey? Fools! They find it difficult to find and still don't use the donkey." The father and son heard the 2 men having a conversation about them, and son asked his father to sit on the donkey. He agreed and sat on the donkey. After a few minutes, an old man saw Bill on top of the donkey and yelled at him, "Hey, look at your boy. He is so tired. And why are you sitting on the donkey? Let him sit on the donkey and you walk." Bill made his son sit on the donkey, and they continued their journey for a while. Another stranger shouted at Bill's son, "Hey, you are too young. Can't you walk? You made your father walk behind you. Get down now." Bill and his son was confused and did not know what to do. They both decided to sit on the donkey. The donkey was unable to walk, carrying heavy weight on his back. Another man saw them at a distance and rushed towards them. He shouted at Bill and his son, "Are you mad? How the donkey can carry you both? Can't you walk? Why are you hurting this animal?" Bill and the boy were stunned and remained speechless for a while. It is not possible to please everyone. Everyone has got different views and opinions. It's too hard to please or follow everyone. Sometimes we should go by what our mind says and simply follow the heart.